Hi guys! So we're now here at BGC and we are heading to Saigosan!
森の小さなレストラン、空っぽのポケットをまっさぐって忘れた人からたどり着く。予約は一つもありません。森の小さなレストラン、空席だらけのランチ時、小鳥がパタパタ笑ってる。チュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン、チュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン、チュルチュンチュンチュンチュンチュンチュルチュン。
Ang next naman is about the order taking. Ang masasabi namin sa order taking ng staff is okay naman siya. Okay yung service ng pagtitake nila ng order. Kasi nung ready na kaming umorder, is agad nila kaming nilapitan and inabutan ng menu. And then, masasabi namin na knowledgeable yung staff sa product nila sa menu. Kasi nung nagtanong kami kung ano-ano yung ingredients dun sa meal is nasagot naman nila to. And also, nung nagtanong kami kung ano yung pinagkaiba ng mga meal sa isa't isa is nasagot nila to. Like for example, like nung nagtanong kami ano yung pinagkaiba ng beef gyudon sa yakiniku don is nasagot naman nila to, na differentiate nila yung pinagkaiba ng dalawa. So, masasabi namin na knowledgeable sila sa product kasi kada may question kami doon sa meal is nasasagot nila to ng malinaw. And na uunawaan namin kung ano yung pinagkaiba nila and kung ano-ano yung meron na ingredients doon sa meal.
Hello! Bagya! Dapat naman kayo perfect kayo dun sa ano. Good place. Tama po? Thank you po. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you po.
Now let's talk about the signage and the accessibility. First is the signage. The visibility and yung color ng pangalan ng restaurant nila is very clear and nababasa. And in terms naman po sa accessibility, the entrance, kita naman siya. Yung pathways and yung pagdating sa seating arrangement is very spacious and nakakagalaw ka ng maayos. But when we talk about the restroom, the accessibility of the restroom, wala silang mismong restroom doon sa mismong establishment nila, sa mismong mall yung i-offer nilang restroom na ipapagamit nila sa'yo. And yung pwesto naman nung restaurant nila is medyo tago. Wala siya sa main hallway sa palaging yadaan ng mga tao. So recommended ko lang is yung sa restroom. Sana meron silang restroom sa mismong establishment nila para more convenience dun sa mga mahilig mag-restroom after kumain. Yun lang.
So when it comes to the layout and design, I will give them as 5 or the excellent one because when it comes to the design, you can feel the incorporate traditional Japanese elements such as the wooden texture and the minimalist decor and the warm lighting that creates the cozy atmosphere. And the color balance and the materials gives the restaurant a calm and welcoming feel, while the modern touches like cleanliness and organized table settings add a sense of elegance. So overall, the layout and designs of Seigo-san, you can feel the train that combines the practical with the aesthetic. And I will give them again as a 5 or the excellent one.
Now let's talk about the table arrangement of Saigosa. Sobrang ayos ng table arrangement nila. Hindi maluwag and hindi rin masyado masikip. Lahat ng space na establishment sila is na-maximize sila na maayos, lalong-lalo na sa train seats, na suitable for guests na magkakasama. Also, yung arrangements ng table sa train is dikit-dikit and talaga pumapasok sa Japanese theme ng restaurant nila. And meron pang mga available seats sa labas at tapat ng train. Kaya there's plenty of seats for the guests who wants to dine in with them.
Next is the uniform and decoration. So sa decoration, very much siya sa theme ng restaurant, which is Japanese. Pero sa pa lang naman ng restaurant, malalaman na ng customer kung ano yung i-expect nila na product na ina-offer nito. Then, ayun, meron din silang naka-display na collection na nagka-contain ng iba't ibang ceramic or porcelain figurines and even yung cat na Lucky Cat. Then, even sa choice ng type ng ilaw nila. So, ayun, overall sa decoration nila is very Japanese vibes talaga. Next is yung
Hi guys! So, based on our experience at Saigo-san, the staffs are very attentive because kapag nakikita nila yung customer na may needs or concerns, sina-approach agad nila. And parang based doon is binabasa nila yung body language ng customer. And regarding naman sa quality of their food service, the food was served around 8 to 10 minutes after namin mag-order. And it is served hot, as in like umuusok pa siya. And before they gave or served the food, binabanggit muna nila kung ano yung sinaserve nila. And nung nilapag nila yun sa mesa namin is nilalapag nila yun kung saan yung guest or customer na nag-order ng food.
When it comes to the customer engagement naman, it really is fun dining with them kasi siguro we're really lucky kasi today they celebrated their anniversary. I forgot how many years, pero they're celebrating it today. And meron silang kind of a game na pinropose and pinagawa sa akin, which is parang meron silang machine na not really a machine, pero like parang siyang toy. Then binigyan nila kami ng token. 2 token yung meron sa amin. Then, ipapasok namin siya dun sa may toy and then we're gonna take it. And may lalabas na parang ball or something, then meron siyang prize. That is a really fun experience for us kasi siguro nakadagdag din sa saya kasi very friendly talaga yung approach ng mga staffs doon. Like, we grew a emotional bond kay Kuya na hindi. Pero mabait talaga sila. Even si ate na kasama ni Kuya na nagpalaro sa amin, they're really, very engaging and hindi nila pinaparamdam sa amin na dapat kami mahiya sa ginagawa namin. Very entertaining sila and very welcome. I love how they made us feel welcome and I love how they made us feel the warmth that their restaurant has been giving to their customers. So for the greetings and welcome of Saigo-san, I would like to give them an excellent job for that. Kasi unang-una pa lang or pagkakita pa lang namin sa restaurant nila, meron na kami agad nakitang mga employees or staff to greet their customers. And that is what they did to us. Hinitian nila kami. And hindi natin nakitang ina-approach namin yung restaurant nila.
And yung overall experience po namin sa Japan, team restaurant na Saigo-san na located sa BGC Uptown Mall is sobrang bilis ng serving ng food. The price of the food then is fit sa quality and kung gaano kadami yung serving nila. Yung mga staff po is sobrang accommodating, sobrang masayahin, and they match our energy for us to be comfortable. And yung ambience po ng restaurant is sobrang linis, sobrang lamig, and sobrang gaan sa pakiramdam.